Assalamualaikum. Hai, apa khabar semua? How is everyone? Today we will study the word Macham. The Malay word Macham can be roughly translated to like or as if in English. It is often used to make comparisons, express similarity, or provide a description that resembles something else. In some contexts, it can also be translated as such as or similar to. In summary, Macham is a versatile word that helps convey comparisons or likenesses between different things. A synonym for the Malay word Macham is seperti, which also means like or such as in English. Both words are often used interchangeably to create comparisons and describe similarities in Malay sentences. However, Macham is commonly used in conversational instead. Here is a sample sentence from Astro Awani for seperti. Kalau tidak patuh SOP, Malaysia berisiko hadapi tsunami COVID-19 seperti India. Kalau tidak patuh SOP, Malaysia berisiko hadapi tsunami COVID-19 seperti India. If we do not comply with the SOP, Malaysia risks facing a tsunami of COVID-19 like India. As you can see, seperti is used more in the literature or formal situation, unlike Macham. In today's lesson, we will study how Macham is used in asking question and when answering. The first example is when Macham is followed by the word mana. Macam mana? Macam mana? It actually means how. Grammatically, there is another word used which is bagaimana. Bagaimana. However, we hardly use bagaimana in conversation. Let's see how macam mana is used in a sentence. Imagine you are asking someone to show you how to do something. In Malay, you ask like so. Macam mana buat ni? Macam mana buat ni? It means literally how to do this. Macam mana means how, buat means to do or to make, and ni means this. Ni is originally from the word ini. The more natural way of saying this is by adding the word nak after the word macam mana. For example, macam mana nak buat ni? Macam mana nak buat ni? How to do this? Nak or hendak means to want, but it is not translated in the English sentence. This sentence basically means the same as the previous example, but it sounds more natural in Malay, and I personally prefer to use this. Literally, it means how to want to do this. Macam mana means how, nak means to want, buat means to do or to make, and ni means this. Ni can also be replaced by tu or itu if the thing or action that you want to do or learn to do is further from you. Macam mana nak buat tu? Macam mana nak buat tu? How to do that? In summary, remember this pattern in making the question colloquially, of course, to ask for guidance from someone in doing something. Macam mana nak, followed by a verb, and ni, or macam mana nak followed by a verb and to, which means how to this or how to that. Now let's make more sentences using verbs with this pattern. If you haven't learned the 100 must-know Malay verbs yet, click on the lesson to learn more. Let's check out the next sentence. Macam mana nak makan ni? Macam mana nak makan ni? How to eat this? Next. Macam mana nak potong ni? Macam mana nak potong ni? How to cut this? The next example, macam mana nak ikat ni? Macam mana nak ikat ni? How to tie this? More example, macam mana nak bayar ni? Macam mana nak bayar ni? How to pay this? Next, macam mana nak tulis ni? Macam mana nak tulis ni? How to write this? And the last example, macam mana nak buka ni? Macam mana nak buka ni? How to open this? Now let's practice a few dialogues, but before we proceed, I need your help to do something as easy as a click. It is free to do and helping each other is a good action, right? Jangan lupa, don't forget to do the following. Terima kasih semua. Back to our lesson, the first dialogue. Macam mana nak buat ni? Macam mana nak buat ni? Buat macam ni. Buat macam ni. One more time. Macam mana nak buat ni? Macam mana nak buat ni? Buat macam ni. Buat macam ni. Now let's practice. You first. Ready? Mula. Buat macam ni. Now my turn. Macam mana nak buat ni? Bagus. Very good. The second dialogue. Macam mana nak baca ni? Macam mana nak baca ni? Baca macam ni. Baca macam ni. One more time. Macam mana nak baca ni? Macam mana nak baca ni? Baca macam ni. Baca macam ni. Now let's practice. You first. Ready? Mula. Baca macam ni. Now it's my turn. Macam mana nak baca ni? Very good. Sangat bagus. And the last dialogue. Macam mana nak lap ni? Macam mana nak lap ni? Lap macam ni. Lap macam ni. One more time. Macam mana nak lap ni? Macam mana nak lap ni? Lap macam ni. Lap macam ni. Now let's practice. You first. Ready? Mula. Lap macam ni. Now it's my turn. Macam mana nak lap ni? That is very good. Itu sangat bagus. Alright, we have reached the end of today's lesson. I hope this video would be useful for you. Jangan lupa, don't forget to help the channel grow, okay? Terima kasih semua. Sampai jumpa lagi.